To understand power on I/O, you need to know what happens when you press a button, whether that is a physical button or a graphical button. Neets has a philosophy that a single press on a source button should be enough to power on the system so it is ready for use. To see how this works in the system, then let us have a look at a single source button and its action tree. When you add a source sequence to a button, then Neets automatically adds this function. It will check if the device is powered off, and only then will it run these commands. It knows if the device is off by knowing what power sequence was last sent to the device. This is something the Neets control system tracks automatically. Let me show you how it works. When you press the source button, the function will check with the system if the device is powered off. In this case, it is, so it will send the power on sequence and wait until the device is powered up. Afterwards, it will send the source sequence. Second time you press the button, it will check again if the power is off. As the power is on, it will skip directly to the source sequence. You can take advantage of this feature and add sequences, delays, screen controls, and output controls to this function. This will only be activated in case the device is off and is being powered up. This is what Neets calls Power on I/O. To give an example, I have opened a project with a projector and a motorized projection screen. If we have a look at functions, a screen control has already been added to the source buttons. But in this case, they are placed incorrectly, as we only want to run the screen when the projector powers on, and not every time the source button is pressed. When you add a screen control function to a button that has a power on sequence, you will be presented with this option. When enabled, the screen control function will only be activated when an on command is sent to the selected device. We leave it enabled and click on Add. The screen control has been added correctly now, and the screen control is automatically updated on all buttons that powers on the same device. You can also add sequences just by dragging it to the action tree. You can also rearrange the order by dragging and dropping the items. Changes applied to one button is updated on all buttons. This is how you can use power on I/O.